actually wearing my first Cars and Coffee, and you'll never guess who I'm going with. It is gorgeous outside, guys. Take a look. Oh my god, it is stunning. And on the camera, it looks even prettier. Right now, we're riding in the Camaro, if you guys remember. He brought coffee. It is currently 6:58 a.m. and I believe the car show starts at 8. I also forgot my sunglasses, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Anyways, so the plan is for today, we're gonna be riding out to the car show with, I believe, an Aventador, Huracan STO, and a convertible Hellcat Challenger. Oh Jesus! Yeah, so we're going to right now to meet up with them to go right out to the car show. So super exciting. I feel like I say this all the fucking time, but I am very excited, especially because it's my first Cars and Coffee, and I actually have coffee. I've always been to car shows, but I've never this early or never like actually with coffee. So let's see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Wait, this is so cool, guys. That shit is loud. Yo.
God damn.
The rain guard. The rain guard. Okay, so unfortunately Antonio didn't get to go to the rally, but it's fine.
We didn't make it.
We accidentally took a wrong turn, but it's fine. But yeah, here we are, and there's a lot of cars to look at, so I'm kind of excited. So. This one is game. Alright, we've got a lot of cars to look at here. The Mitsu! There's so many supers, guys. So many cars, guys. I don't even know where to look. Ooh. Oh, this Rhino is so cute. Guys. Oh, the calipers on this one. I like this one. I agree. This one is so cute. You guys know how much I love my Porsches, so we're gonna look at them. Oh my goodness. The interior on this Porsche, absolutely insane.
944.
Oh my god. It is gorgeous. Oh! We got a Mach 1 over here. We got a C8. This one's really cute. It kind of looks like my 4. Just kidding. This is the newer version. This one we have here is kind of like an auto racing one. Very cool. Very cute. Alright, now we got this over here, which is very interesting. Ooh.
got balls.
Yeah, video. What, 300? 350?
Oh, you can find it. I saw it. Oh.
They see me rolling.
Oh, this helmet is so sick. Oh my god. This one's really sick too. These are really sick.
Green bike.
Some more bikes for you guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we just left and right now we are stopping at this cafe. I think it's called
Walt Grace.
Walk Grace. Walt.
Like Walt Disney.
Walt Grace, and apparently it's like car themed and guitar themed, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to visit this for the longest time, but I haven't been able to. So we're going, and yeah, we're parked outside. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below, and yeah.
I like the way you